Letter Planet is a game for years 1 to 3. As you can see, there is a few different games that the students can play and complete the different sounding letters and sentences that you go through when you go to the different games. When we click onto the game, it takes you through to an alien who needs your help to fill up his tank to go home, which can be fun for the students while they're learning. First, we go through and
Oh no! My
click on the
spaceship
different
has run out of
sounds.
fuel. I need your help to fill up its tanks so I can go home. My spaceship uses fuel made from words. It has 3 tanks. We need to fill them all.
So you click on
Each
the
tank
different
needs
sounds.
words with a different letter pattern.
So I'll click on this
This
OO,
tank needs words with double.
and then the students go through and identify where they can see that sound.
Hook.
Once they've identified the 3, you go through to another
Wood.
3.
Let's fill up the tank.
And check that you've got all the right sounds to help fill up the tank up for him.
Yes, that's select the tank we
And
want
then
to fill up
after we've
next.
finished this level of the game, we go on to creating sentences.
Rearrange these jumbled words to make a sentence that makes sense. Select the words in the correct order.
So the students will look at these words and use the different words to make the sentence. So I had to look for fuel.
I had to look for fuel. Yes, that's the message I want to send. One word in the message contains double O. Select the double O word.
Again, the students are looking for the sounding words in this game.
That's it.
The students are engaging in literacy while playing this game. They are learning while having fun and learning new words or remembering words they already know, helping them to increase their vocabulary and spell quicker and identify words with more ease. I believe this game is effective in helping students at this age level learn appropriate words in a fun and engaging way.